of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. As we gather here to mark International Nurses Day 2024 under the theme The Economic of Power Care, I feel privileged to stand here and extend my greatest, deepest gratitude to the remarkable leaders in nursing. Your unwavering commitment to maximize efficiency with constrained resources is nothing short of inspiring. In the words of Florence Nightingale, I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. This embodies the spirit with which nursing leaders approach the daunting challenges of healthcare, always striving to do more with less, ensuring that every resource is utilized to its utmost potential to provide patient care that is not only effective but also economical. To all the nurses present and around the world, your role transcends the boundaries of traditional care. You are the backbone of healthcare system, constantly providing compassionate care while spearheading initiatives that reform these services into economical care. It is in your hand that the future of healthcare lies as you implement innovative strategies to stretch every dollar while ensuring that patient care remains sacrosanct. As we discuss about economic care, it is important to realize the pivotal role of nurses play in this transformation. It's not merely about cutting costs, but about rethinking how care is delivered, how each action can be both cost effective and therapeutic. Efficiency in healthcare is not just about saving money, it's about saving life, improving outcomes, and making healthcare accessible to all. Every year we use the term our nurses, our future. I want to highlight that because you, our nurses, hold the keys to the future of healthcare. Through your hands passes the well-being of millions, and with your innovative approach to economic care, you ensure a sustainable, brighter future for all the patients and healthcare globally. And that's what we are striving for to achieve sustainable developmental goal to develop sustainable. I want to highlight the words of Margaret Mead once said. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. In every ward, clinic, and hospital, nurses exemplify this belief, showing us that their thoughtful and committed effort in economic care are indeed changing the world. In conclusion, on this International Nurses Day, we celebrate not just the care you provide, but the incredible ways in which you provided it, economically, efficiently, and always with compassion. Thank you. Thank you for your dedication. Thank you for your dedication, your passion, and your unwavering commitment to the future of healthcare. Together we look forward to a future where healthcare is not only universal but also sustainably delivered. Thanks to our nurses, our future. Happy International Nurses Day.